Hello folks, and it's day 6 of opening the calendar with Galaxy and the postcode lottery. This is not sponsored by Galaxy or postcode lottery, with the help of ratty mc-hatty. Right, let's open number 6. Number 6 is stay. Number 6 is another Christmas pudding. Christmas pudding. Thank you very much. Right. Postcode lottery, door 6. Door 6. By installing solar panels, Bowling Club have reduced their carbon footprint to nearly 0. Well done you. That was quick and easy. Anyway, that was door 6. Carbon footprint of a bowling club. And you've just been watching Ratty mc-hatty, Mike's chat on a 4K eyebrow. Thank you very much.